Hello, and welcome to Item Tutorials. In this segment, we'll show you how to efficiently split a pallet. Tap the three lines at the top of your screen. Navigate to repalletize from the home page. Select Split Pallet. To begin, enter or scan the license plate LP of the desired pallet being split. Input the quantity of items to split off. Then tap Collect. Enter or scan the new pallet. Then select Drop. You have now successfully split a pallet. Congratulations and thank you for watching Item Tutorials.